This dish looks simple, but takes years to master. Today, we're traveling to Japan through food to discover the story behind sushi, one of the most famous and respected dishes in the world. At first glance, sushi seems simple: rice, fish, and a few ingredients. But behind that simplicity is a world of precision, discipline, and tradition. In Japan, becoming a sushi chef is not easy. It can take many years of training, sometimes a decade or more, just to master the basics. Before even touching the fish, apprentices spend years learning how to prepare the rice. Because in sushi, rice is everything. It must be washed, cooked, and seasoned perfectly with vinegar, sugar, and salt, then served at exactly the right temperature and texture. Only then comes the fish. It must be incredibly fresh, carefully selected, and sliced with absolute precision using traditional techniques. Every movement matters, every detail counts. But behind that simplicity is a world of precision, discipline, and tradition. In traditional sushi bars, the experience becomes something even deeper. The chef prepares each piece right in front of you, serving it directly, one bite at a time. There is no rush, no distractions, just a quiet moment between the chef and the guest. A moment built on trust, skill, and respect. There are also many types of sushi, from simple nigiri to rolled maki to delicate sashimi. Each one has its own style, its own balance, and its own meaning. But sushi is more than just food. It reflects a deeper philosophy in Japanese culture, a respect for simplicity, precision, and harmony. In this tradition, eating is not just about satisfying hunger. It's about appreciating the moment, the craftsmanship, and the connection between nature and the plate. From small sushi counters in Tokyo to restaurants all around the world, sushi has become a global symbol of Japanese identity. But its true essence remains in its simplicity. So tell me, would you try authentic sushi in Japan? And where should we travel next? Through food. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the world, one dish at a time.